I have any civic sense on how to be in front of camera? I guess no, because what is this hair? What is this face? I've just woken up. I wanted to wake up early and work out and all because I usually prefer morning workouts. आज नहीं हो पा रहा है कुछ भी because we slept at 3 and so yeah, it's 11:30 right now. Woke up at 10. I'm just sitting, I'm just, kind of writing and doing something and I like it. I like writing very much. So I was just writing, take a shower and then I'll have lunch and hi guys, we are done and मैंने literally पूरे नहाते टाइम यही सोचा कि मुझे बाहर आके खाना खाना है सबसे पहले. So सबसे पहले I've come literally to eat. Yeah, I'm done with lunch and all. Now I have to clear up my messy room and then I want to record today for a change. I want to get a little ready and all just for the time pass because today is a Sunday and I have time and I can do time pass and this is the condition of my room right now. I'll just Okay, so we are done recording and I'm sitting and now I will genuinely get back to reading something or studying something. I fell asleep and now I'm waking up and it is literally 6:30. Genuinely get back to reading something or studying something. This I knew that this was going to happen. So yeah, good morning. There's a saying in Gujarati ke जाग गया त्यारથી सवार. So whatever, good morning. We are sitting for dinner. So I've been wanting to make hummus since a long time and we are making it. I've only boiled this much of chana. If it does turn out good, then we'll make it in more quantity. Guys, I'm back home. We are done with walking. I took a little bit of shower and I've changed back to my PJs. It's 11 right now. I want to sleep by 11:30. Let's go. Time is beyond what I said. Of course, it's 12 a.m. And we just got to know that कल सुबह 9 बजे की क्लास में we have presentation. So we are now working on that. This is what happens in an MBA. It's a very interesting thing. But the founder of Netflix, Reed Hastings, himself encountered a problem. He got a 40. Okay, guys, good morning. And we are in the college and we had a presentation. As I told you yesterday night, वो हो गया है हमारा. After this, we have 2 more lectures. But the worst part is कि वो continuity में नहीं है. इसके बाद there's a 3 hour break and then we have 2 more and it will end at 7:10. I hate when it exceeds more than 5 p.m. उससे ज़्यादा lectures नहीं होने चाहिए because उसके बाद तो कैसे ही होगा. With the lectures, we are now going home. It has begun raining. सुबह धूप हो रही थी. I'm not even kidding. It was literally sunny in the morning. But I knew that Mumbai की बारिश पे कभी भरोसा नहीं करते. So I have already brought an umbrella with me. Let's go. A little grocery lunch. Love it. Hey guys, we are back home. I have a lot to do right now. I have to have my lunch. I have to wash the clothes. I have to send a parcel somewhere very far. Wow. Wow, man. So damn pretty. आज मुझे एक लड़के ने cute और pretty बोला. Thank you. So pretty, man. So pretty. Okay, bye. This is going to be our lunch, rice, chana and the dal. Hi. So we will first eat. उसके बाद जो भी काम होगा होगा. But yes, we will eat first. Okay, bye. So I've decided that I'll leave now. But also God knew that okay now she's leaving. So now all the rain gods have begun their downpour. Because how can you leave your house and we do not rain? So now it has begun raining. Universal.